Greetings and welcome. Brandon from Redeker Software here, trainer and ReadySite product manager, coming at you with a quick take about a new tool on our ReadySite platform. Today we're going to talk about the AI Assistant, the AI tool. Simply put, it is an artificial intelligence tool powered by OpenAI. It can be used to assist you with adding and maintaining content on your website. It's free. It is going to be by request. It is a permission to turn on. If you recently have a website, the tool will be on by default. But if you've been with us for a few years, you need only email support@redeker.com and we'll turn the tool on if you're not seeing it, especially here in the text widget. So it is free. Just have to let us know and we'll turn it on a per request basis at this time. All new customers should be seeing it automatically. Now let's give some examples of what does it do. It helps generate content, edit content. So for example, we could generate a new title. We could generate a whole new paragraph. We could simply have it do some quick edits like improving some writing that already exists, make a long paragraph shorter or a short statement longer. We can even use it to translate or change the tone of what I'm writing. Even just fix your grammar and spelling. So there's lots of things you can do with this tool. You can also do alt text on images, have it generate it for you, as well as meta title and meta descriptions on your pages. So it also impacts your SEO and accessibility points. So let's dive right into it. Here, I'm in a text widget and I'm going to have it create a new paragraph for us. So I'm in the text widget, and on the end of this, on the left side, we should see the AI Assistant. I'm going to choose paragraph, and it wants some context. Now I will mention, and you can read it in the article, release note article or support article about updating your profile with your name and some details just to let the tool learn a little bit about you. That's the AI business profile. In this case, it wants some knowledge about what it's writing. So if I said, well, I'm going to have it write a small paragraph about multicultural education and technology in the classroom. I want a full paragraph about that, right? Could be short, could be medium, could be long. Generate. What that's going to do, the AI tool using the business profile and the context provided will write for you an example paragraph. And notice even within doing that, I can make that longer, shorter. As a matter of fact, let's just say suggest another. And then notice what it does is it adds a take 2. I can say make that shorter. It'll add a take 3. And then what I can do is review these suggestions and then use the one I want. So that's one example of how this AI tool will work. This is great if I'm working at a school and I'm maintaining the content and they're asking us to maybe refresh some content that exists. One of my favorite uses for this tool is we have sometimes pages with too much text. I don't want too much text on here. So taking this and using the make shorter option could be extremely powerful, especially when you've got 2, 3, 4 paragraphs worth of text. You can have it help shorten that. That's a very useful piece. Another cool way to use it is coming up with a title. For example, title for this existing text. Give me a heading 2 using that content, and it'll put it on there. Great little examples of how you can use it. That's not all of what you can do with it, but it is just a quick take, a quick example of what you can do with it. Let's go into some other examples. For example, here we have an image slider, also works with the photo gallery widget, regular image widget. I have an image and I need to put some alt text on that, right? You can see here I've already filled it out. So let me actually remove this and then say, okay, here's this generate, let the AI Assistant generate the alt text. Now alt text, if you don't know what it is, go do some reading. That's not what today is all about, but just know that it's important for both accessibility and for search engine optimization SEO. For both reasons, in your widgets, if it offers the opportunity for you to fill in the alt text, you should be doing it. It's very important. So go ahead and I'm gonna click that. And it looks at the image, it's AI tool, and it's able to generate a short sentence about what's there. Obviously, as a human, you'll be in charge of potentially making that longer, shorter. Notice I can also come here and let the computer do all missing alt text. And since I'm here, I can also do my page SEO, my meta title, meta description. Let it generate all of the missing pages metadata. You can also get to that, by the way, under pages. You can then come here to edit SEO. It even has the AI tool next to it. And you can have it individually generate those, especially handy if you just made a new page. Otherwise, you can say, look, hey, I want the AI tool to generate it all. The alt text and the meta title data, it's in one place under this tool, and I'm able to then generate it. This is extremely helpful, which helps from the top level. Why is this super important? Well, it makes your life easier. This is a tool that's going to make you more productive. You're going to be able to either generate content, freshen up and improve your content, maintain content, which all in all helps with keeping a maintained professional site that is SEO and accessibility friendly. So for all of those reasons, this simple tool that is now available to any of your website editors on the ReadySite platform, and again, if they're not seeing those options there, just let us know, we'll turn it on. But just another way that Rediker is helping you, the school, be more productive and efficient in doing your job, which is really one of the founding principles and the reason for existence for Rediker software. All right, well, this was a quick take about the AI tool. I hope it finds you well. Please check out more videos on our website, as well as go to support.rediker.com to check out support articles, including a more in-depth dive into the AI tool.